Hi, everybody. Michele Conti here with Conti Law. Let's talk about when a loved one dies and a personal injury lawsuit is filed. First and foremost, an estate has to be open to file that lawsuit. I work with a whole host of personal injury attorneys here in Pittsburgh, and the first thing that needs to happen is an estate must be created. I won't get into the specifics about whether there is a will or who's serving as the personal representative of the estate. What I did want to talk about was typically in a personal injury lawsuit, there are two types of actions: wrongful death and the survivor's action. Now, wrongful death will be distributed amongst the next of kin, the living heirs. I'm not concerned with that. That is a non-taxable settlement. However, the survivor's action, meaning the action that was brought by the estate that will be paid to the estate when everything is said and done, is taxable for Pennsylvania inheritance tax purposes. Now, we do get to offset that settlement with any expenses, whether they're funeral, whether there's debts of the decedent, if there are creditors out there lingering, if we have any legal fees, if we have any personal representative commissions. The important part to know is all of those funds are not tax-free. The money that is paid to the estate, which is the survivor's action, will be taxed based on the relationship of the beneficiaries who are inheriting. Again, if it's all going to a spouse, then the tax rate's zero. However, if it's passing to a child or a grandchild, that is 4.5%. A parent is also at 4.5%. Sibling is 12%, nieces and nephews 15%. But just because there is a personal injury action and there's a settlement doesn't mean it's all tax-free. The piece paid to the estate will be taxed for inheritance tax purposes.